So I have chosen problem statement to find to normalize and display proper records. So given normalized transaction, so the transaction can be from multiple sources and the status vocabulary used can be a different way. So some says succeeded and another says completed. So if that is the case for different providers, for example PayPal or Stripe, so if they use the different vocabulary to tell the success or failure scenarios, so how you will normalize and store that information. So that is all about this problem statement. So for this I have created a sample data with a variable statuses, raw statuses, and with the different amounts. And what I'm going to do is I have created an ingestion where I'll be normalizing the store. So I'll basically I'll be in this type source. I'll be pulling all the data from the payment transactions, and I'll be storing that. And in the normalization I'll be normalizing against what is known and what is canonical status. So canonical status is nothing but what we will define to that status. So will it be a completed or success? So what we will be defining, so that will be canonical status. And so I have used the Supabase to store and have the standardization of this data. So I'll be seeding and I'll be passing a different success or statuses I'll be holding. So if you come to the architecture, so basically the architecture contains the so this is my folder structure, and this is the layer API and matrices and data layer and ingestion. So where I'll be now pulling and normalizing and mapping the read writes logic. So basically here it requires two times updating the records, where the first will be pulling all the data, and then we'll normalizing, and we'll be comparing that with canonical data, and then we'll be pushing those changes into the database. So here I have added the architecture. This is the source system where Stripe or PayPal or any other data transaction details will be provided, and it will be there is a source mapping where the raw data will be checked against the canonical status, and vocabulary against the vocabulary which is allowed and which is not allowed, and which is allowed we will be collecting that, and so based on that we will be filtering and updating. That is called normalization here. So to run this to make servers. So here you can see the server is starting, and it is pulling the data, and so then you can see in these URLs here you can find the health, and so this is one granularity day wise, like I'm trying to filter, so based on like what is the date, start date, and what is the end date, and so this is how I'll be collecting. So this is the canonical definition of the data status, and this is the allowed status. So based on that, like I'll be like making the progress status here as revenue collected, and so here is one more matrix where I'll be providing only the start and end date. So here you can see only the one record of canonical revenue collected. So that is the status and definition, and this is allowed collected.